Welcome back to Aspire BBA. If you're on a journey towards success and looking for practical strategies to help you achieve your goals, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a powerful book that uncovers the secret to success that often goes unnoticed: discipline. The book we're exploring is Number One Rule to Success is Discipline, Missing Piece in the Success Puzzle by Shaw. Let's break down the key takeaways that could be the missing piece in your own success journey. In this book, Shaw emphasizes the critical role of discipline in achieving both personal and professional success. He offers insights and actionable strategies to help cultivate discipline and integrate it into your daily life. Here are some key lessons from the book. 1. Understanding discipline. Shaw defines discipline as the ability to consistently control one's actions and decisions over time. It's more than just self-control. It's a commitment to your goals and the willingness to make sacrifices for long-term success. 2. Discipline as the foundation of success. According to Shaw, discipline is the cornerstone of success. No matter how talented or intelligent you are, without discipline, you may struggle to achieve your goals. It turns aspirations into real, actionable results. Number 3. Setting clear goals. Discipline starts with having clear, specific goals. Shaw emphasizes that well-defined objectives give you direction and motivation, making it easier to stay focused and committed. 4. Creating routines. Routines are key to maintaining discipline. Shaw advises establishing daily habits that align with your goals. This helps automate positive behaviors and makes it easier to stay on track. 5. Prioritizing tasks stresses the importance of prioritizing tasks that truly matter. By focusing on high-impact activities and avoiding distractions, you can enhance productivity and maintain your discipline. 6. Developing resilience. Discipline isn't just about staying on course when things are easy. It's about being resilient in the face of setbacks. Shaw advocates for cultivating a growth mindset so you can learn from failures and stay committed to your goals. 7. The role of accountability. Accountability plays a huge role in fostering discipline. Whether it's sharing your goals with someone or finding an accountability partner, this external pressure can keep you focused and motivated. 8. Embracing delayed gratification. One of the most important aspects of discipline is delayed gratification. Shaw explains that successful people prioritize long-term rewards over short-term pleasures. This is a crucial habit to develop if you want to stay committed to your goals. 9. Practicing self-reflection. Self-reflection is essential to maintaining discipline. By regularly evaluating your progress and habits, you can identify areas for improvement and reinforce your commitment to discipline. 10. Celebrating small wins. Lastly, Shaw reminds us of the importance of celebrating small wins. Recognizing your progress along the way helps maintain motivation and reinforces disciplined behavior. That wraps up our deep dive into Number One Rule to Success is discipline. If you want to transform your dreams into reality, discipline is the key ingredient. Now it's your turn to apply these principles and start building the habits that lead to long-term success. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Aspire BBA for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and remember, success starts with discipline. Keep aspiring, keep achieving, and we'll see you in the next video.